Hi class, Jessica Sabatino here for STEM 300, and this is my video for Module 8 and the coding app exploration assignment. I chose the Scratch Junior app. The app works. It's a visual block-based coding app designed for children ages 5 to 7. Students create interactive stories, animations, and simple games by snapping together coding blocks that control characters called sprites. The interface includes a stage where the animation or story plays, a programming area where students build their code, a block palette where coding blocks are selected, and characters, again known as sprites, which each student can add, delete, or customize. Children learn coding by dragging blocks into a sequence, snapping them together like puzzle pieces, and pressing the green flag to run their program. This makes the learning process playful, intuitive, and most importantly, developmentally appropriate for early elementary students. Number 2, what activities do users engage in to learn how to code? Students learn coding through hands-on creation, which we have talked about how hands-on is definitely the way to go, and especially in STEM. So they learn it through building animations, making characters walk, jump, or talk are just a couple examples, designing interactive stories with multiple scenes, creating simple games using motion, triggers, and loops, customizing characters by drawing or editing their sprites, and sequencing actions to solve problems or to complete challenges. These activities help children practice sequencing, problem solving, creativity, and logical thinking. Number 3, how is coding vocabulary taught through the app? So Scratch Junior teaches vocabulary implicitly through color-coded block categories. And this is the categories they're in. Yellow are start blocks, blue are motion blocks, purple are looks blocks, green are sound blocks, orange are control blocks, and red are end blocks. Each block includes a symbol-based icon, so children do not need to actually read this to understand it. When the students tap and hold a block, the app displays the written label supporting vocabulary development, which is awesome. Number 4, which coding language does the app teach? Scratch Junior teaches a simplified visual programming language inspired by Scratch but redesigned for the early childhood learner. It is not text-based language, rather it introduces foundational concepts that are later used in Scratch, block-based coding, evidence-driven programming, sequencing, and loops. This is great because it prepares students for more advanced coding languages later on. So it gives them the base of what they need that they can carry into further coding later on in their education and life. Number 5, do I recommend the app? Why or why not? Yes, I absolutely recommend the app Scratch Junior, especially for early elementary students and classrooms. Why I recommend it? It's developmentally appropriate for ages 5 to 7. There is no reading required, making it accessible to the many emerging readers in the age groups of 5 to 7. So they're still getting the experience even if they can't fully read, which is amazing. It's also highly visual as well as intuitive. It also supports creativity through storytelling, animation, and through drawing. It also builds foundational coding concepts, but does it in a playful way, which makes learning more fun. And it's free and easy to use on multiple things such as Chromebooks, browsers, or tablets. So it's accessible to pretty much everyone. Scratch Junior is an excellent entry point for young learners and aligns really, really well with inquiry-based hands-on STEM learning. Thank you so much for listening to my talk.